I believe that preparing for FMS is somewhat similar to preparing for IIMs, because what a college is actually looking for an aspirant is the ability to actually work and how exactly their acumen is. So your concept should be clear. Like in all of my interviews, whether it was IIMs or FMS, I was actually being asked and grilled on my academics as well as on the current affairs that have been going. So I believe they are somewhat similar. In fact, in FMS, it's all the way more rigorous because you have to create an impression under 10 minutes.
So when you talk about the admissions, the entrance exam, that is common for all the colleges, all for the top colleges basically, be it for IIM or FMS or be it any of those, it's the same. But when it comes to the other parts, where the admission process, it's a little bit different. So for FMS, we are having the extempo. That is the only tricky portion that is different from the other parts. So during the extempo, that will be the first part, and they basically give you 1 minute in which you need to speak about a topic. And the topic can be an abstract topic or something related to your CV, your work ex or anything. So one should be basically have a little bit idea, and it could also come from your interest. For example, if you are saying that you are interested in marketing, they might ask you about a campaign in marketing. Or if your work ex is in education sector, they might ask you about that. And if a person is from any particular state, and you might get questions about the state or how it derived its name or anything related to that. So that is the area that you need to focus. The next part, the GD and PI, that is same for all the colleges. So anyway, the preparation will be enough.
The basic exam that you have to give, the CAT, is the same as you would give for the IIMs. What is different in the FMS process is that you have group discussions as well as a personal interview. So depending on which IIM you're applying for, you would have a different process, but especially for FMS, the process is a group discussion and a PI, that's personal interview.
So if you're preparing for FMS or for any other college for that matter, firstly you need to appear for CAT. Secondly, you need to apply for the college. Since the application for FMS is different from the other IIMs, you need to, which is probably somewhere in November, you need to be vigilant enough so that you can apply on time. And while you're applying for it, you need to prepare an SOP. And the difference between the other IIMs and FMS is that over here we have extempore and GD and a PI. Whereas for IIMs, you have to appear for written aptitude test, GD, and then a personal interview. So that is how admissions at FMS is different from the other institutes.
In order to prepare for the admission process of FMS, you not just need to prepare the group discussion process as well as the interview, but also need to prepare for extempore. So for all the three, you need to know the news as well as your profile, your hobbies, and for extempore round, you need to be fluent and keep thinking on your feet. For this, you can practice a couple of times how to speak fluently for a minute or so when you just know a topic and think about it for about 5 seconds.
Most of the part of FMS and IIM preparation is same. Like it begins with having a very great percentile, and after that for FMS is you need to know a lot about the general affairs. So what is happening in the country, what are the implications of it, and what are your opinions about it. Your opinions is something which was very much valued in FMS interviews. So this is one part which is different. Other than this, we have almost similar process for FMS and IIM interviews.
The admission procedure for FMS Delhi is in 2 stages. One, a profile-based shortlisting, and after that, the GD, extempore and PI round here at the FMS Delhi North Campus. Once you receive the call based on your profile-based shortlisting, which considers your 10th score, your 12th score, your undergraduate score and other factors, you will have to appear for your GD, PI and extempore round. A common factor in all these 3 rounds is your current affairs knowledge. How well are you versed with various topics that will affect the business and the political scenario of India and other Asian countries and the world, and how good are you with your CV.